KrazyKAT here. Today I'm pickling some fish. My friend went fishing and caught some perch, gave some to us, and what I'm going to do with it is pickle it. So what you need is fish. Okay, this is perch. You can use striper, bass, catfish, any type of fish that you like. Okay, as long as it's not fatty. Okay, so clean the fish, scales, take off the scales, okay, and there to clean it inside out. And then you add some garlic, about 1/3 cup garlic, 1/3 cup cooked rice, okay, cooked rice, the regular steamed rice that you eat every day. Some chili peppers, about teaspoon MSG, that's totally optional, you don't have to use MSG, but I put a teaspoon in there. And this packet, a packet of LOBO's Nam powder seasoning mix, okay? So do is thoroughly mix in all the seasoning. Oh, also add 1/3 cup water. Okay. Make sure that thoroughly mix in there. Also stuff it. Stuff the fish, the peppers in there. Okay. Then we're gonna get a container. I'm using a Pyrex bowl, okay? Oops, it's out of focus, how come? There we go. Okay. Oh, barely fits. Okay, and just put everything in there. This will not take long to ferment, to pickle. Probably about 2 to 3 days. Get some saran wrap, and we're gonna lay that on top. Like so. Okay, and then just cover it, and then just leave it out at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. So, that was my crazy dog. Anyways, we'll check back in 2 to 3 days, okay? Okay, guys, it took mine actually about 4 days for it to ferment. Depending on the weather or the temperature of your house, it will either take longer or even a short amount of time, but it took mine 4 days for it to be ready. And in between those days, I did flip the fish a couple times so that it sits evenly in its own juice. You will know that it's fermenting correctly when you see all this juice also coming out from the fish, and also by the smell of the fermentation. It's like a sour pickling smell to it. That's what it looks like inside. Yeah, so it took about 4 days. If it's not, it really depends. So if you want it more sour, you can let it sit even longer and to your liking. If you want less sour, then yeah, you can stop the fermentation, just cook it. But it took mine 4 days, so this is ready. And I'm gonna go ahead and grill this, cook it up. I'm using my small turbo oven to cook it. Oops, come on, turn on. Wait, there you go. Pickled fish, you can eat it raw if you want. It's cured, so you can't eat it raw. I like to cook mine depending on what kind of fish it is that I use. This is perch, and I'm gonna cook mine. But yeah, you can eat it raw if you want. Really depends on the fish for me. Certain fish taste better raw, certain fish taste better cooked. But we'll check this back in about 35 to 40 minutes. Let's take a look. Nice. And voila, pickled fish. When you cook pickled fish, the meat is gonna be flaky like this. Give it a try here. Must be So good with some sticky rice, but I never always have sticky rice handy, ready. So just eating it by itself, but yummy. This fish has a lot of bones, so gotta be careful. It really depends on the fish you use. Here you have it. Pickled fish, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.